welcome back to my channel. I'm Rae of DivaMePlz, a beginner nail tech, showing you my journey and hoping it helps you along yours. What's up, guys? Welcome to another unboxing of the Your Nail Lab by Makartt. I believe this is the November box because my charge date is the 25th of every month for the current month, so I don't think this is a Christmas box, but let's go ahead and jump straight into it and we can see what's inside. Also, if you haven't yet, make sure you check out my last video, the fall nail freestyle. Check that out and see how I came up with that design. I know you guys will love it if you're into the extendo nails. So go ahead, come closer so we can see what's inside. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and check out what is in Your Nail Lab monthly nail box by Makartt. This is the November box. So as always, there is a informational card in here. This is Your Nail Lab by Baby Girl Nails. Let's see what good goodies we got. So we have some pink and red chrome here. And we got some black crystals, some black stones. Maybe this could be loose glitter as well. Then we receive some pearls. We got some different color pearls and different sizes. We received some red crystals in different sizes. Some gel polish. This is a violet. It looks sparkly. And then we have Robe. A red sparkly color. Oh, you say you like my nails? Don't worry, I will be releasing the video to this set soon. so you can see how I came up with it. They also glow in the dark. Okay, so back to Rogue, a pretty sparkly red. We received some red gems. I've been looking at these on Amazon in the different colors. I have been wanting to place an order for them for a while. So I'm glad I at least got some red ones. So we received some Polygel in Cosmo Black. Ooh, that is a really pretty color. Black with glitter. My camera cut out, so we also received some red polygel. Look at that pretty color with some red sparkles in it. It is called Sailor Red. And then we also received some nail pump-ups in the shape stiletto. They are XXL full coverage clear acrylic false nails. And this would be everything that we received in this month's subscription box. Okay everyone, so this is everything that we received in Your Nail Lab by Makartt November box by Baby Nail Girl, and I cannot wait to use all of these good goodies, especially these, and as well as these crystals here. And of course these chrome powders. Now it may be a while before I use the chrome loose glitter powders, but they are super pretty. So that is going to wrap up today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below of what you'll like to see next on my channel. Share this with all of your other beginner nail tech friends so that we can all learn and grow together. And consider subscribing to my channel. I upload at least twice a week. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at DivaMePlz. Until next time guys, bye!